stay over him.
Yeah.
Do this what you used to do.
Yes.
And then when you punch, just imagine, boom, and exchange, so keep it in, and when you punch, so you, of course you have to retreat this, but
Yes.
have in mind that you replace this fist first.
Okay. So my normal way.
Yeah, and give it power, give it a little power.
Okay.
Yep.
Now punch. Already I felt
Yep.
more power because
Yep.
I'm pressing.
Yes.
Feel difference?
Yes, and now speed up a little bit. Yeah.
Yeah. Poor David. Poor David. His face is turning
How do
purple.
you feel about that?
I
By
feel
yourself?
like there's, so what I do feel, I'm not going to do it hard.
Yep.
What I do feel is the difference of punching with the intention to punch a quarter of an inch in.
Yep.
Versus the intention, or like a 2 inches in, whatever,
Yep,
I don't
whatever
know,
it
like
is.
distance, versus the intention of driving.
Yep.
This little difference changes the power structure of the
Yep.
punch. Again, because I learned kind of like that relaxed power, but you feel that it's a different feeling though.
I see it.
Yes, it's a more vibrational.
Yep.
Because like honestly, I did boxing, but for the first, when I learned Filipino martial arts, we learned, I'll just show you very quick, I've done this with you before, and he's gonna keep this here and this here. This kind of, everything was smack. My teacher said, if you're smacking, why are you gonna close your fist? Then you have to think.
Yep.
Like if I wanna go here, here, and here and close, now I'm thinking, versus it's just always open, I can grab, right? So I don't need to worry. So he said, always generate like, right? Like this. But then when you do it fast and with power and you're very relaxed, you feel that? So it's just like, bop, 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 bop. And so when the punch, a hook comes or whatever it is, throw a hook, we're going here. And then here, then that's coming right through, boom, or smack. And so I learned like very heavy, but you could see his arms turning red already just from, it's not a regular smack. It doesn't feel like a...
No, I feel that in my body. I feel it in my legs.
It drags. Yeah, so our intention when we drop...
He tries to be brave, but I see how much.
No, sorry. Our intention when we drop...
No, let's go on.
I want his whole body kinetically to move because of this, meaning I want it to drag the arm, the hip, and off balance him. You see a little bit?
I have my jacket on, guys. I wanna show you that it really hurts.
So when I go here, we drop it down. See how his body comes and adjusts with it, as opposed to this is a smack. That's relaxation. You could feel, and it's not coming high. It's just right. So when I go boom right here,
yeah.
And you can see Milos doesn't move as much. He has like freak level muscle tension.
No, but
it's still moving you and off balancing you.
I want to show something, because I have a jacket and people think you see, guys, it's all red here. It's all red.
Yeah, that's already turning red right there.
Yeah.
When I used to do
your
this,
fingers, and I had my jacket on, so
we used to get welts.
Yeah.
And it really comes with the strike. I won't do it.
Go ahead.
So
go ahead.
this, you could see my body's coming, and I'm not putting any power. If I do it,
Let's go.
It's that. You see how it's a thud more? It hurts. Now look at his arm. His arm's gonna get a little swollen from that. Like it actually hurts more than people realize.
So the thing is,
oh yeah,
you see, the thing is, you see my face, because I'm not pretending. I don't try to look cool. I can deal with pain. So sometimes pain, what do we always say? It makes us alive, right?
Yes.
And this is something we embrace a little bit.
You can smack me back now, just so we're even. David, do you want to smack me? David's starting to. Yeah.
Okay, I smack it one time, guys.
Oh yeah. Give me one. Come on, do it my way. That's getting better. Relax it. Oh yeah, nice.
Yeah.
Good.
Feels like a real burn that way.
No, you go in the middle. All right. Inside Fighting, Ilan Strulovic. David, a great student. What's your channel?
Martial Patterns.
Martial Patterns, Myville, Mary Plantation, Florida. Come and experience the best.